Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors in history, with a net worth of over $100 billion as of 2021. His success story is one of patience, hard work, and a commitment to long-term thinking. Buffett was born in Omaha, Nebraska in 1930 and showed an early interest in business and investing. He bought his first stock at the age of 11 and was already a millionaire by his mid-30s. He is known for his value investing philosophy, which involves identifying undervalued companies and buying their stock with the intention of holding it for the long term. One of Buffett's most successful investments was in the textile company Berkshire Hathaway. In 1965, he took control of the struggling company and began using it as a holding company for his various investments. Over the years, Berkshire Hathaway has grown to become one of the largest and most successful companies in the world, with a diverse portfolio of investments in companies like Coca-Cola, American Express, and Apple. Buffett's success has been driven by his ability to make smart investment decisions and his commitment to sticking to his long-term strategy. He is also known for his frugality and his commitment to giving back. Despite his enormous wealth, he still lives in the same house he bought in 1958 and has pledged to give away the majority of his fortune to charity. Overall, Warren Buffett's success story is a testament to the power of hard work, patience, and a long-term focus in investing.
If you want to learn online start investing in stock market, please drop your mail on info@successacademy.in or WhatsApp on 9797256675.